Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to do a pour with negative space. On my canvas I have white paint and I will be doing my pour on this. So the goal is to have color on some parts of the canvas, but you're also supposed to leave some parts without color. So here we go. So there you have it, guys. How to do a pour with negative space. As you can see, I have lots of white space on the canvas. That gives the eye somewhere to rest. Unlike these three, the entire canvas is covered with the pour. So those do not have negative space on them. But this one does. This is going to be so gorgeous once I frame it. And I got a little camel right here. That's his head, his neck, hump, and another hump. I hope it stays that way when it's dry. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please share, like, or subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.